Hello, hi everyone. I'm Rick Kirkham of busybusinesspromotions.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make money online with affiliate marketing by becoming an instant affiliate of all ClickBank search results in the marketplace. Okay, so let's get right to it. First, of course, obviously, you need to join ClickBank. It's one of the oldest, most established affiliate management companies in the world. I remember years and years ago, they actually had $1 million days. But anyway, I digress. Let's get into the marketplace right now. And I may as well search for what they call affiliate marketing, right? Here it is. Okay, and these are all the results that came up for affiliate marketing, but I want to show you a little trick. Okay, so watch. Scroll all the way to the bottom. By the way, I am nor is busybusinesspromotions.com affiliated with any of these companies. We are not affiliated with these companies that you see on the screen. Okay, so you see where it says results per page? I can bring that all the way to 50. So I got 50 potential affiliate products that I can sell. So I'm going to take this to the bottom again. I'm just using my mouse to scroll down. Now this is going to be a lot easier on a computer. I've got my program mobile ready, but we're going to be highlighting stuff like this, and it's really a lot easier to do with the mouse. So I'm going to start right down here, and I'm just going to highlight as fast as I can all the way up here. I'm keeping my left mouse pressed down. And now I want to be right here. So now I'm going to click somewhere in a blue area, right mouse click for a menu, left mouse click for an action. I do a lot of in-home computer tutoring here in Honolulu, Hawaii. I'm copying. Now, here's where what you might call the magic happens. Now, I've got this screen really big, so let me lower this with Control minus. I used Control plus earlier to make it bigger, so you can see this getting smaller and smaller. And that's 100%. That's how it'll look proportionately on your screen. Okay, I've got directions and some tips for you here. And you're going to type in your affiliate ID right here. You can even block specific vendors. Like there's some vendors that make you do like extra stuff, like you have to be approved. There's also probably some vendors whose vendor web pages have been abandoned, so there may not be anything there. So this program does not filter that stuff out. But let's click right in here, and I can do Control V like it says here, or right mouse click for a menu and left mouse click for the action of paste. Okay, now you see all the products that we just seen right here. This is a WYSIWYG box here. What you see is what you get. Okay, so that's all the products that we've run across. And do I want to go to the top so you can see it or not? Yeah, I suppose I will. Okay, and this, all of this styling that you see here, that's a result of my page. So don't worry about that. If you have CSS cascading style sheet, that will, this WYSIWYG box will just take on that styling. Okay, so we're going to the bottom here eventually. It's a lot of stuff to become an affiliate of, isn't it? Okay, so now we can generate my ready to go list, or I could clear all. So let's generate. Now, if you're like me and you build all of your websites by hand, then here's the HTML code for you. You can copy it and paste it, and you're already a member or you're already an affiliate of these products. Now, some of you use WordPress. Probably a lot of you use WordPress. So here's your preview and copy and paste for your WYSIWYG editor. That's what a WordPress editor is. It's got a spot in there where, say, if you make something bold, it appears bold in the editor. That's what you see is what you get editor means. So here's all of this. You can actually just highlight all of this or whatever you want to and copy that right into your editor. And this is all clickable. I won't click it because, once again, I am not affiliated with any of these affiliate companies. And down below, now I did do this down below. I took the liberty. Feature partner offer. Check out our recommended success tool. This is the secret tool we use to scale our affiliate marketing business. Highly recommended for beginners and pros alike. All that is just this very page right here. Okay? It's just that. So if you like the hop link generator, then please feel free, and I would consider it a favor if you would keep that link in there to help build up my backlinks. I have expertise in SEO. It will help build up my backlinks and make it easier for more people to find this. And that's it. So that is how you use that program. And I'll try to paste that in the description of the video. If you have any questions, just put them down in the comments. And that's it. So best of luck in your business. God bless you. Aloha.